Hi, readers and writers. Today we're going to be taking a look at those vowel sounds again. Last week we really focused in on the short A and the long A. Today we're going to be focusing on another letter, the letter E. I'd like us to start again with our Scratch Garden song. I really love the little frogs. It's got a little jazzy little tune, and it's good practice. It helps us to review the long and the short sounds for all 5 of the vowels. So let's take a look.
Oh, now vowels have 2 sounds each, but they don't sound the same. One is short, yeah, real short. The other one's long and says its name. So the short A says apple, and the long A says acorn. The short E says elephant, and the long E says eagle. The short I says insect, and the long I says island. Let's take a break. Here we go. The short O says ostrich, and the long O says oatmeal. The short U says umbrella, and the long U says unicorn. Vowels have 2 sounds each, they don't sound the same. One is short, yeah, real short. The other one's long and says its name.
All right, kindergarten, we heard all 5 of those vowels. Can you say them with me? A, E, I, O, and U. And don't forget, sometimes Y is also a vowel. We're going to focus in on the letter E. In your song today, you heard that the short E makes the eh sound, which we've practiced in school. Like in the song, we heard elephant. Our ABC chart has the word and the picture of an egg. Yeah, and we remember this sound because it reminds us of an evil laugh like this. So you can be an evil witch or an evil wizard. They kind of stick out their tongue and go, and that would be the sound that the short E makes. The other sound that E makes is the long sound, and the long E sound says its name. In the song, we heard the word eagle. We heard the E at the very beginning, but today I have a card that actually has the E at the end, okay? And you'll notice that this word be actually has 2 E's together. I'm gonna tell you a little secret here. When you see 2 E's together, it's always gonna make that long sound. It's not b, eh. When 2 E's are together, it's gonna make that long E sound. And you'll see that very soon. All right, so now that we know the short E says and that long E says E, let's take a look at your seesaw activity. We're going to be sorting those vowel sounds today. So you're going to find 7.3 ELA, long and short E. You're going to click Add Response. Click your name and icon. Then you're going to want to change from the pen to the hand or the move tool because we're going to be sorting some pictures based on their sound. So over here in the green box, it's got a label that says long E. Remember, long E says its name. Over here in the yellow box, we have the words short E. So short E makes that sound. let's take a look at each one of our pictures. I'm going to say it first, and then I like you to be my echo. Web, sheep, tent, wheat, jeans, leaf, desk, sled, shelf, seal. So we're going to practice 2 of these together. We're going to do one short and one long, but we have to listen to which one is which. Let's start here with the one on the top. That's the web. All right. Now, don't be afraid. Use your arm spell if you want to really isolate that sound. I'm going to use it and listen because I notice that the space is missing in the middle, and that's where my vowel sound is going to be in this CVC word. Web. Web. Like that evil laugh. So I know it's the short E sound, and I'll place the web underneath there. The next picture that I see is the word sheep. Now, if I listen really closely, sheep, E. It says its name. So I know that's the long E, and I'll place it underneath. Now, if I look even closer to the letters in this word, I can see that there's already one E in there. And remember, when there are 2 E's together, it's going to be the long E sound. So that's another way that you can figure this one out. You can listen for it, or you can notice the letter patterns. All right, once you have sorted all of those pictures, I'd like you to grab that text tool so that you can write in your, each of the words that has the short or the long E sound. Now, I did have a question from Anne the other week. I do want you to write all of the words, okay? So you can type them in to the text box, or if you want to practice writing them and using your handwriting, you can write them in a list on a piece of paper and just snap a picture with the camera tool and add it to this page as well. I'm going to type it in because I can't use the camera while I'm recording. So long E is sheep, and then I'll come down here towards the bottom and type in web. All right, I'm going to do a little bonus here. I'm going to grab that marker and circle the vowels that make that short E and long E sound. All right, then I'm going to come over and click on page number 2. Page number 2, I'm going to go ahead and unscramble the sentence. I want to rest on the bench. I want to rest on the bench. So I've got 7 words here. Starting with I, oops, I need to change from the marker to the hand. I want to rest on the bench. Then below, you're going to select that T tool if you don't want to write it. Stretch it out so that you can type it in with spaces. I, ooh, that's not a capital. I want to rest on the bench. Don't forget that period. All right, in the box below, I'd like you to draw a picture that matches the sentence, and you're also going to select the microphone so you can record yourself reading the sentence for me. Once you're all done, click that green check to submit.